What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. If you're part of the notification squad, you're probably getting a late alert. It was an emotional mentorship session tonight when I found out Apple wants to partner with Hyundai. Well, let's set the record straight. It's not Hyundai. It's not any weird stuff. It's Hyundai. Sunday with an H. That's even coming from them. No weird stuff. Anyway. They were in the early stages of the discussion. And now, let's talk about the charts real quick. This is Hyundai. Yeah, they're an OTC ticker because no one trades them publicly. Well, you know what OTC tickers are. I probably worded that wrong. That's about what I expect their cars to be like. But Apple is in talks with them. So we know Apple's in... Hyundai spokesperson said has proposed collaborations with a number of global automakers for the launch of the electric car, and Hyundai Motors was also in discussions. Nothing was finalized. It's in the early stages of the talk, but all they need to start this collaboration was Hyundai to sign off on the deal. First of all, if you're Hyundai and Apple comes to you with a deal, you probably just say, how many signatures do you want? Right? Who wouldn't sign that deal? Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Anyway, get your Google on. I'm not an Audible source. And what I mean by Audible is there's plenty of YouTubers that just read reports to you because you can't read yourself. Google it. Apple partners with Hyundai. But I was curious just why Apple, after hours, was just shooting up. Like, what is going on? We sold off, a little bit of profit taking, kind of went flat, and then boom, it pushed up. And it's like, well, it's kind of weird. We find out exactly why. Apple in talks with Hyundai. Not Honda, not Toyota, not NIO, not Tesla. I'm over here just thinking of how cool these cars are going to be if they partner with Tesla or NIO. These things are going to look amazing. These things are going to work. They're just going to run. They're going to be amazing. And then Hyundai. Now, granted, after 2012, most auto manufacturers kind of have everything masked. All the technology is the same. I just can't help but think Kia and Hyundai in 2009. You know, just a pile of junk. Can never get over it. That's why I don't own a Kia Stinger. The lead design tech for the BMW M Series. He leaves BMW. He goes and works for Kia. And then all of a sudden, Kia comes up with this Stinger. I think it looks amazing. It's a Kia. And then someone brought up in the mentorship, have you ever driven a Genesis? I have. They're nice. Still a Kia. Man. I don't know if I got my hopes up or I just got shot down. Hyundai. I don't know. I'll make this quick, guys. What do you think? As far as Apple goes, there was that report that came out. They're getting into the EV business, and then a couple of kind of naysayers said, no. They tried it 14, it didn't work. It's not going to work now. But even I said, all they need is a manufacturer. They're not building a factory. They're going to take the tech, and they're going to find a manufacturer. Like Nikola and GM. But these guys are going to run. So it's not fraud and a POS car company. It's amazing tech. And a car company that it's better now. I'll give them that. That's all I can say. Anyway, this kind of puts it into reality, that they actually are going to do this. While that was just some hype, some speculation at best, they're actually in talks. Like I said, what car company is turning this down? If I'm the CEO of anything right now, any gas engine manufacturer, and Apple, even if I was Tesla or NIO, Apple comes up and says, let's do a deal. Okay, how many lines do I need to sign on? Let's make this happen. Of course it's going to happen. So while they're in the early stages, all they need is that signature. Let me know what you guys think down below. And I guess hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell. Let's get the notifications turned on because we're going to have to just cover this because I don't know why I'm just not that hyped about the Hyundai situation. Let me know, guys, in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video.